Hello again, folks. I just thought I'll start again. I've just testing some wires what I've made for one of my friends over in the States, Lock Junkie. He's got one of these era lever locks. So I just thought I'd make sure the wires I've made for him work. And the best way to do that is I'll use this where I've got a little cheat hole to make sure I'm lifting all the levers up. As you can see, I've got this open. So I just thought we'd have a little pick on camera as well. If I don't get my big fat hand in the way. So, yeah. It's got false gates in. And I'm just falling into one. If that happens, it's just easier to start and reset again. So that's the first lever. That's the second. That's the third. Fourth. Reset something, start again. Yeah, people like Brummy make it look really easy. It's not as easy as it looks, even with a cheat hole. It's a very different thing to get used to. Yeah, another false gate. I've done it again. So yeah, like all things, practice, perseverance, patience. As you can see, the wires work, but lifting the lever's okay. Just me trying to work out what I'm doing with this stupid camera angle, phone right in the way. There we go. So that is now open. There we go. So that's the tool I've made for you, mate. That's your turning tool to deal with your cam. That works in both ways, obviously. You can pick it from both sides. That being said, I have made you a long and a short wire for if the bolt is on the left, and then I've also made you a long and a short wire for if the bolt is on the right. So obviously if you want to pick it that way, don't forget your bolt is at the back here, so you'll have to do some corkscrewing and get round that from this side, but it's another way to pick it and something you can do when you've mastered it this way. So yeah, definitely worth putting a hole in if you can. And as I've said before in the previous video, I've made you a tensioner and a pick wire for the Squire 660s. So, bear with me a second. Back again. Yeah, almost forgot, I've also made you this one, which is another one like your padlock one, but this one's a straight, and this one's got a bit of a curve on it. You might find it useful for some different padlocks you come across in the future. So, there you go. That's for you, Lock Junkie. Sorry it's taken a little while, but I'll get these in the post to you ASAP. And yeah, that's it for now, folks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye. So I just thought I'd take this to bits quick and show you the insides. So this is your first lever with an anti-pick at the top, then a spacer, then your second lever, anti-pick at the bottom, and a spacer, third lever, anti-pick at the top, then a spacer, fourth lever, anti-pick at the bottom, and a spacer, and then the last lever, another anti-pick at the top. So 3 anti-pick notches at the top, and 2 with them at the bottom, so they've all got the notches. And obviously then inside the lock body we've got the cam, which turns the bolt. When you turn the cam, see if I can do this without it all falling to bits. So that turns in there, and then it's that what catches the bolt like so. And this is why we need the curved wires, so when we can get in, we can get round that cam through that little gap and lift the levers there like so. And there on the back is a mechanism which slots into the bolt there, which turns to a cam. And your spring for the cam down here, and this is obviously for your latch and your door handle. So yeah, that's it for now, folks. Like I say, till next time, take care. Bye bye.